I'm Rashta Mishra with you, and we start with the breaking news we have from the world of sports. Now, there's a huge controversy that is now unfolding as far as the Khel Ratna is concerned. Manu Bhakar's name reportedly was missing in the list of the nominees. His father has been out and complaining, saying that Manu's name should be there. Now, in the latest, what we have, that Manu Bhakar has reacted to this. Manu Bhakar's father, remember, said that why the Olympic medalist has been ignored for the Khel Ratna award, the top sports honor. And this is a controversy that has been exploding. But in the latest we have is that Manu Bhakar has just a few minutes ago posted on social media that there was a lapse in the filing of the nomination. But first, viewers, let's take a look at or take a listen into what Manu's father Ramkishan Bhakar had to say.
अप्लाई आज तक किसने किया? मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, खेल रत्न पिछले 5 साल में जिनको मिला है, मैं नाम गिनाता हूँ, चाहे नीरज चोपड़ा हो, चाहे मीराबाई चानू हो, या लवलीना हो, या विनेश हो, बजरंग हो, किसी ने भी अप्लाई नहीं किया. वाई दे वांट नाउ फ्रॉम मनु? और वैसे भी मनु पिछले 4 साल से अप्लाई कर रही थी, कभी हुआ क्या उनका कंसिडर? वो तो होता वही है जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी बोल देती है. और ब्यूरोक्रेसी ना इस गेम को बोल रहे हैं 2036 में हम ओलंपिक वो करेंगे. खिलाड़ी कहां से लाओगे? ऑर्गेनाइज तो कर दोगे, खिलाड़ी भी तो होने चाहिए ना. आप इस तरह से डिस्करेज करोगे खिलाड़ियों को तो फिर मुझे नहीं लगता. जैसे वो इंटरव्यू में पहले भी कहते थे वही है. मैं भी सभी बच्चों को यही कहूंगा, ये पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को ओलंपिक गेम मत दिलाओ, उनको पढ़ाओ. वो IAS IPS बनेंगे तो लाखों खिलाड़ियों के ऊपर जाके कमांड लिख देंगे, नहीं उसको खेल देना नहीं है, उसको देना है. क्यों खिलाते हैं लोग? खिलाना ही नहीं चाहिए. मेरी भी गलती है कि मैंने मनु को इनकरेज किया, खिलाओ. पूरे देश के पेरेंट्स को मैं कहता हूं कि मत खिलाओ, कोई ओलंपिक खेल मत खिलाओ. पैसा चाहिए तो क्रिकेट खिलाओ, नहीं तो पावर चाहिए तो IPS IAS और UPSC तैयारी कराओ.
Suresha, my colleague, joins us live on the broadcast from the newsroom. Now, Suresha, clearly we can see that all right, in fact, we're just getting in a reaction from the coach, Jaspal Rana. Take a listen in, viewers, to what he has to say.
Love and respect throughout these 4 months. This award you will get next year also, but award is not something which you should fight for. Award is not something which you ask for. Award is always given.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
So there's, of course, a lot. It's a big controversy. We'll get you the full reactions. All right, I'm told that Jaspal Rana, Manu Bhakar's coach, is joining us on the phone line. Thank you so much, Mr. Rana. Now, we can clearly see Ramkishan Bhakar, the father, is disheartened. Meanwhile, you have also been very vocal, saying that what we are picking up, as per the source in the Sports Ministry, is that there was no application and that the list is still being finalized, sir.
See, the point is that list is finalized or not and all those things, but what is happening is not right. It's not going in the right direction. And ignoring athlete like this, no matter they applied or they did not apply, that should not be the criteria. But it's not good for the sports. It's not good for the people, those who are following sports. So that is what is my point.
Sir, Manu has just posted on social media platform that it was a lapse on her part. She says that it's a lapse in filing of the nominations, that it was a lapse on her part, and that it doesn't really affect her motivation, that the awards are not her goal. She remains motivated. That's the latest post on social media platform X and Instagram.
Definitely, you can see that this is coming from some athlete who's 22-year-old, and the maturity level is much higher than people, those who are talking whatever they're talking. So it's a good in a way, but nevertheless, if you're going to hurt athlete like this, and you're talking about hosting 36 Olympic or 30 Youth Olympic. Which direction we are going, we don't even know.
So I want to understand from you, sir, about the facts of this matter. Did Manu apply or not for this? Because
I have no idea if she applied or she did not apply. I have no information about it. But the criteria is not that. I'm not even talking about that, who did something mistake and all those things can happen. She must have not applied. But how can you not include of somebody who's already there? who has proved herself in such a way.
I think
What else she need to? She must have met almost everyone, those who were in committee and the sports minister and even prime minister, and then now you say that it's just she did not apply or just missed out on that. That's not the way it should be. This is a national award. This has to be go through a lot of working. If some athlete could not apply, maybe any reason, but you have to give. There has to be some check on it that people should work on all the athletes, those who have won, those who have got medals for the country, and then it should be worked properly, and then the list should come out.
Why do you think, sir, this has happened? Why do you think?
I don't know. I am no one to judge on that. But the point is that I'm not even blaming anyone, not the federation, not the SAI and all those things. It's everybody's responsibility to honor athlete in a right way. Why should any athlete fight for the award?
Okay. All right, sir. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Jaspal Rana, there for speaking to Republic TV. So there you have, viewers. Clearly, we can see that the father of the Olympic medalist and the coach who had a great role in Manu Bhakar's feat at the Olympics, they are dismayed, they're disheartened. But Manu Bhakar, remember, my colleague Suesha will throw more light on what she has said. Now, Suesha, just tell us more about what Manu Bhakar has said after all this huge drama that has unfolded, this war of words. Clearly, the father, of course, is disheartened, and rightly so. But what we're learning is that there are two sides to this. That first of all, what we're picking up is that the list has not been finalized yet. Dr. Mansukh Mandavia will be finalizing this list as per the sources from the Sports Ministry. And Manu Bhakar says that there has been a lapse from her side in filing.
Put out all sides of the story since we've heard from
I have to just
father.
stop you there. I'm very sorry. Manu Bhakar's mother is joining us on the phone line. Ma'am, thank you so much for speaking to Republic TV. आपका क्या कहना है? आपका क्या कहना है ये कंट्रोवर्सी जो है, जो कि मनु ने अभी कहा है कि उनसे कुछ शायद गलती हुई है जहां तक बात है अवार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करने में?
मैम, वो मनु का ट्वीट देख रही थी अभी मैं, तो आप वो पढ़ लो और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग कर लो फिर आप। मनु ने वो भी डाल रखी, स्टोरी डाल रखी इंस्टाग्राम पे ना। हाँ, तो वो बहुत अच्छी है। वो उसी के मद्देनजर आप कुछ कर सकते हो, लिख सकते हो। हाँ। उसको देख के मुझे देखो, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, एज एन ए माँ मैं अपनी बेटी की खुशी चाहूंगी कि उसको खुशी किस चीज में मिलती है। अब इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद में अवार्ड मिला ना मिला हमारे लिए कोई मतलब नहीं है।
नहीं, मतलब क्योंकि जो कि उनके पिताजी हैं रामकिशन भाकर जी, उन्होंने भी कहा है कि ये गलत बात है। उन्होंने काफी ऐसी गंभीर बातें कही है कि मुझे मनु को भेजना ही नहीं चाहिए था खेलने के लिए, कभी प्रोत्साहित ही नहीं करना चाहिए था।
उनके पिताजी ने ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहा होगा, शायद वो पिताजी हैं यार, अपनी बेटी से प्यार करते हैं, वो उनको बोलने का हक है पूरा। जी, तो क्योंकि जब मनु की स्टार्टिंग थी जी, पिस्टल ने मिलना, उसका वो 25 मीटर की पिस्टल का वो क्या होता है मुझे तो भी नहीं पता उसका, वो सब चीजें उस स्ट्रगल के टाइम पे मनु के फादर मनु के साथ थे। तो वो मनु के लिए तो बोलेंगे, उनकी बेटी को खेल रत्न नहीं मिल रहा, उसमें नाम नहीं आया उसका, तो हर एक पिताजी को तकलीफ होगी। मनु के पिताजी को थोड़ी, हर एक फादर को ही तकलीफ होगी जब उसके बच्चे को किसी अवार्ड से वंचित रख दिया जाएगा। हाँ जी मैम,
क्या लगता है आपको ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा? क्यों उनका नाम को नहीं, उनका नाम?
मुझे तो आप लोगों ने आज बताया है कि मनु का अवार्ड में नाम नहीं है।
नहीं, हमें जो जानकारी आ रही है कि उनकी अभी लिस्ट फाइनल नहीं हुई है, तो पहले क्यों इतना
दूर ही रहते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा। हम इन चीजों से दूर रहना पसंद करते हैं। अभी मनु ने 1 महीने से अपनी ट्रेनिंग शुरू कर रखी है, तो हमारा मेन फोकस ट्रेनिंग करना जी, और मनु को टाइम पे खाना देना, उसका योगा मेडिटेशन और जिम वगैरह का ही है बस हमारा, और कोई ध्यान में हमारे कुछ है ही नहीं।